Hey, it's Misha from Adsmith. We're a marketing learning machine which automates creative decisions, runs constant experiments, and self optimizes based on performance. This is truly AI native marketing, and we get 3 times better ROAS for our customers. Today's demo is for dayspa. All right, we'll select these from the drop downs. This information about the organization and offering. This really just comes from an initial onboarding briefing. Do it yourself, takes a couple minutes. Just tell us about your business, give us your logos, tell us about your offering, why do people like it, things like that. Put any targeting criteria that you want for the specific offering, and then we remember it and use it downstream going forward perfectly. Then we set an audience. We could really do any location and any language in the world. We're just going to stick with US and English for this one. But the cool thing about this is that it automatically localizes. The language automatically produces content in that language. And then when you choose a location, the people look like the people from that location. So you don't have to worry about casting, it all just taken care of automatically. Then we get to personas. So we got to narrow down from US and English, right? And so then we talk about who should we talk to? We always start with a general population persona. That's your control group, lets the system try a bunch of different things. But then we want to get more specific. And we want to say, okay, based on our persona or based on our offering, here we have, women age 25 to 52, 39 to 44, 38 to 53, different ages. This case is all women since we set that for the offering. Different interests and traits about them. And what we're doing here is we're making it so the ads that we generate for these specific people feel resonant. So of the 4,000 ads they see per day, yours is the one that they actually remember and stops the scroll and catches their eye. So that's what we're focused on. Story. Now we get to every ad is telling a story. So what story are we telling with this one? What are the visual elements? We're going to select people, and we're adding the custom elements feature soon, where you can bring in your own photo of your product, model, location, whatever. Then we use a storytelling framework, and this is to make the AI a little bit more creative. We tell it, hey, there's a 3-step storytelling framework, do this part of it. Doesn't really matter which one you do to start. You can try a bunch of different experiments, and the system is going to try things and learn, just kind of kicking it creatively in a slightly different direction. Here we're going to go with, sure, the during experience of a before, during, after framework. And then you can do some stage direction with guidance and then visual styling as well, but we'll just stick with photorealistic for now. So now I'm going to select a platform. So what this does is by selecting either Google, Meta, or soon Amazon, it allows us to make all the content we're about to generate fit exactly to that format because all the platforms need different things. For Google, they want keywords. Great. So we're going to generate all the keywords that fit. They're all pretty credible. You can, edit them if you like, or add any additional ones. But the point of the system is it's self-learning. So you can start with something credible, let it, get performance data, and then improve based on that. Same with the captions. These are all perfectly formatted for what Google's looking for in terms of character counts, in terms of the type of content. We have that taken care of. Again, you can change them if you like, edit them if you like, but in practice, you don't really need to. Just let the system learn. It learns way faster than we can. Okay, so now we get to images. We're going to show the concept and prompt up here. We're making those a little bit shorter, but as you can see what's in the images. But now we're going to take the persona that we've generated and make content that fits that. So, and as you see as we go through here, we're really alternating between 1145 and 2111 images because that's what Google expects, and we'll do differently for different ad platforms. Okay, so we're just going to select a few last ones here. We have enough to get going. Okay, so now we're ready to launch. We're going to select an Adsmith test account here, just Adsmith demo. Let's see, Adsmith demo 250617 day spot. And we're going to create the asset group. And as we do that, we're going to go over to this campaign here, Adsmith demos. You see there are 3 there right now. And as soon as we're done here, we should see the new one there. Okay, great. So we successfully created the ad group. We go here, refresh. And so we've gone from 3 to 4. Here's the one that we just generated, all of our keywords, all of our captions. the URL, everything we need. These images should look familiar. We had just created them. And what we've done here is show that in just a few minutes, we can go from all the way defining an audience, creative, everything, all the way to publishing. And when we do it this fast and take so many more shots on goal, we can really experiment a lot and let the data tell us where to go. So that's Adsmith in a nutshell.